The holy prayer that came out from the mouth of Swami Akhilanandaji Maharaj, the disciple of Swami Brahmanandaji Maharaj. Swami Akhilanandaji Maharaj was the founder of Ramakrishna Vedanta Society in Providence, and after that the founder of the Ramakrishna Vedanta Society of Boston. The photograph that has been attached with this presentation. That holy prayer reads like this: Holy One of the Jews, Allah of the Mohammedans, Buddha of the Buddhists, Tao of the Chinese, Ahura Mazda of the Zoroastrians, and Brahma of the Hindus, lead us from the unreal to the real, from darkness to light, from disease and death to immortality. May the all-loving being manifest himself unto us and grant us abiding understanding and all-consuming divine love. Peace, peace, peace be unto all. Then I am reading a letter from Swami Amayanandaji Maharaj, the then president of Dhaka Ramakrishna Math and Mission. It reads like this: Dear Sri Kalhan Sannal, received your email dated November 24, 2013, along with your notes on Swami Akhilananda Maharaj, which you urge to make known to others. It is for your kind information that there is a Ramakrishna Sevasrama at Netrakona. It is private and looked after by the devotees. In addition to daily performance of worship of Sri Ramakrishna and weekly evening prayer, birth anniversary of Thakur Ma and Swamiji, Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Janmashtami, etc. are the events among the festivals are performed there. We will request the Netrakona Ashrama authority to put your writing in a souvenir to be published, if any, by them, with best wishes, Swami Amayananda. Then Kalhan Sannal response: Most revered Maharaj Ji, Sashtanga Pranam. My heart lifts up with joy, receiving your very kind reply. This is a quanta of Thakur's Kripa, the Holy Mother's Kripa. If in the 1950 years of Swamiji, the Netrakona Center can reminiscence in any dimension Swami Akhilananda Ji Maharaj in their center, that would be a blessed piece of inspiring history. If one goes to Amazon.com and search for Swami Akhilananda, they will find a book, Monk for All Reasons, Monk for All Seasons. His biography by Nelson, where they can find a piece of humble comment from me about that book, A Gold Mine in the Vedantic Activity, contribution from the Swami in America 1926 to 1962, more so in the domain of Hindu psychology, as was practically used to cure the mental problems and for the peace of mind. Sashtanga Pranam again, Kolhon 26/11/2013. Then I am reading out the note that I had sent to Swami Amayananda Ji Maharaj before receiving such response. I am reading out about Swami Akhilananda Ji Maharaj. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev, the God-intoxicated saint of the modern age, the religious scientist of the deepest attainment, to a believer, God in human form, discovered in his person through spiritual experimentation of unimaginable intensity and earnestness and love in Hinduism, in its all aspects, in Muslimism, in Christianity, in all the form and formless aspects of God, the truth. Ekam sat vipra bahuda vadanti, Rig Veda. Truth is one, man of knowledge tells him in various ways, and declared for the mankind world over, Joto Moth Tato Poth, so many opinions, that many paths, but all are equally true. To reach the realization of God as the final station of enlightenment, securing the same satisfaction and peace, securing the state of questionlessness, for everything has been answered to an earnest inquirer, like Swami Vivekananda, who was asking all the men of knowledge, Sir, have you seen God? To that Sri Ramakrishna answered in most truthful way, yes, I have seen as I see you, and only in more intense form. That Swami Vivekananda declared in full depth of realization, all soul is potentially divine. To him, God in man, God in the weak, God in the saint was equally reverential to him, like his master Sri Ramakrishna. Man is the other God. Sri Ramakrishna used to tell, you think God closing your eyes, but do you think when you open your eyes, there is no God? He also used to tell, Manush ki komga, he can think God. Do you think man is any less? He can think God. Vedantic lion Swami Vivekananda created the Ramakrishna movement for Bahujana Hitaya, Bahujana Sukhaya, for the good of many and for the happiness of many, in the man-making and character-building education for all, to assist and help all to realize the depth dimension of human possibility. So, he founded the Ramakrishna Math and Mission in 1897 in Calcutta, and later as its headquarters at Belur Math in 1898, and offered the presidentship of the order to the beloved disciple of Sri Ramakrishna, Swami Brahmananda. Since then, many gems in character and well-educated, dedicated students renounce the world to join Ramakrishna movement, to become monks, to serve the cause as was defined and explained by Swami Vivekananda in his Practical Vedanta. Serve God in man, work is worship for you. Nirod Chandra Sannal, the future Swami Akhilananda, was born to Rajobala Devi and Amar Chandra Sannal in the residence of Amar Chandra's father, Raj Kishore Sannal, in Netrokona on 25th February 1894. He was one of the most beloved disciples of Swami Brahmananda, was personally trained in spiritual aspects and meditation, and was later sent to USA in 1926 to reflect spirituality. About his spiritual aroma, Swami Shivananda, another direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna and the second president of the order, told, if one goes near to Akhilananda, she will become a changed person in peace and spirituality. Swami Brahmananda died in 1922. Swami Vivekananda, Swami Akhilananda was such a powerful spiritual entity that after joining the order as a novice, within 2 years he became a brahmachari. Then in next another only 2 years he became a full monk from his great beloved Guru Swami Brahmanandaji Maharaj. Write-up continues. Raj Kishore and Amar Chandra were well-known pleaders in the court of Netrokona and Mymensingh. They became also the president of the Bar Council of Netrokona. Amar Chandra was an active person in the National Congress movement and was known as the Gandhi of Netrokona. In schooling, Nirod was in Noapara and Netrokona, later in St. Paul's College, CMC, in Christian Missionary College in Calcutta, in Amma Street, then in the University of Calcutta in post-graduation. Before joining the Belur Math, Nirod Chandra's younger brother Khirod Chandra also joined the Ramakrishna order as Swami Ramananda. Their distant relations from Noapara also became the monks of the Ramakrishna order as Swami Atmabodhananda Satyen Chaudhuri and Swami Vividishananda Dijen Chaudhuri, who was sent to San Francisco Center of USA as the head of that center. Swami Atmabodhananda was the in charge of Mayer Bari Udbodhan. Swami Akhilananda was the founder of the Ramakrishna Vedanta Centers in Providence, 1928, and Boston in 1941. The main temple of the Belur Math, the creative artistic design was from Swami Vivekananda, and the engineering design was done by engineer monk Swami Vijnananda, another direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. Could be dedicated to the world on 14 January 1938 through the generous contributions from the two American disciples of Swami Akhilananda, Bhakti and Annapurna, to the amount of 7.5 lakhs. In those days, the total spending was about 9 lakhs. Another American disciple of the Swami Akhilananda, and he himself contributed and helped the establishment of Sri Sharada Math at Dakshineshwar, the women math of the Ramakrishna order. Swami Akhilananda was a scholar monk and was a very loving and lovely personality, and used to teach philosophy and spirituality, Vedanta in MIT, that is Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Boston, Harvard universities, and many other campus of learning in USA. He was a very close friend of many learned deans and professors in those universities. He was the author of many books on spirituality with more focus on mental health and its management. That is, one can say Raja Yoga, practical Raja Yoga. He wrote books on Hindu psychology. He died in 1962 in Boston on 23rd September. The present writer feels, let the Netrokona know about this great son of that land, more so the Bar Council of Netrokona, boys and girls of colleges and schools of Netrokona. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.